So they tried to go over the rapids and they failed. These guys got stuck. Good luck!
Go get him, Mike.
They're gonna go all the way down here.
Oh, Johnny, he's going that fast.
Oh!
Oh. Probably.
Young is going too.
No, Mikey's through. Oh, this is the problem area. Oh, that was close too.
You could have done this.
What?
You could have gone over.
That was mad funny. Let me get my boat.
No, we could probably take it in from here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
That's where Sam got stuck. I mean, Mike. How far down is it rocky?
That's it.
That's it, right? Yeah.